You know, people that are living in their little world, studying their Fibonacci retracements and preaching with like incredible conviction about the upcoming expected 60% retracement or 80% retracement, they're overlooking this fundamental issue, which is if Bitcoin is a digital monetary network, and if enough people with money and power decide to adopt it, it's going to go up and increase by a factor of 100 or 1,000, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. And its past is completely irrelevant to its future.
Michael Saylor believes that Bitcoin is going to increase by a factor of 100, then a factor of 1,000. Make sure to stick around to the end of the video, where Saylor breaks down on how hundreds of private companies have reached out to him on how to convert their balance sheet into Bitcoin, and also why, once you understand Bitcoin, you will never sell. Please like, share, and subscribe so we can spread this information to as many people as possible before it's too late. Now here is Michael Saylor on the future of Bitcoin.
Speculators and traders manage to speculate about volatility and focus upon it, but investors and industrialists are more focused upon building something for the long term. And the fundamental critical issue to understand is Bitcoin is the most technically superior asset in the world right now, and it's running on the dominant digital monetary network, and that digital monetary network is growing and is spreading. So I believe in the future of Bitcoin. I believe the future of a digital monetary network, and I think it's just as important to humanity as electricity and running water and the automobile and steel and communications and the internet. And it's going to grow over time, and maybe there'll be good days and bad days, but you know, we don't do things based upon whether or not we'll be up or down by the hour, by the day, or by the week. We do things because they're the right thing to do. So if you believe that the world will benefit from a thermodynamically sound monetary network, then you're going to invest in Bitcoin. You're going to build Bitcoin into your balance sheet. You're going to build it into your P&L. You're going to evangelize it, educate the world, and you're going to look forward to the journey. And if you don't, then you won't.
This is why Saylor believes the biggest mistake someone can make with Bitcoin is trading in and out of it. He argues that there is only one sound strategy: buy and hold as much as you can.
What I can tell you is I think a lot of companies will do this in the coming 12 months, and you'll start to see more announcements because it's an idea whose time has come. I've seen a lot of interest, and there's a lot of private company CEOs reach out to me, and they've already done it. They're just not making announcements. At least 100 that I know of. Sometimes billion-dollar plus companies. I mean, billion, multi-billion, 500 million, 100 million. So there's a lot of companies in that sweet spot. You know, generally everybody talks to everybody. The amazing thing about Bitcoin is it's just pure monetary energy. So everybody on Earth that has any wealth to speak of or any assets to speak of has the same problem at the same time. And this is the solution. People in the Far East, Hong Kong, Singapore, London, Europe, Abu Dhabi, South America, everywhere in the US. So there's a nonstop, continual set of inquiries, and I've seen a lot of them have acted. I think that we'll see more public companies. They're the higher hurdle because they have more due diligence, more compliance, more issues to work with or work through than private companies have. So I think it's critical for humanity, and it's a critical engineering breakthrough. And if you understood that, when you understand that, you're not selling. The best thing we can all do is find a way to spread this monetary network to the four corners of the earth.
So there's Michael Saylor and his bold predictions for Bitcoin. His vision of Bitcoin reaching its $10 million per coin is a testament to his belief in the future of Bitcoin. Saylor's emphasis on the buy and hold strategy, coupled with insights on how private companies are increasingly interested in converting their balance sheets into Bitcoin, provides much food for thought for both seasoned investors and newcomers in the crypto world. It's not just about finance, it's about the future shape of our society. What are your thoughts on this transition? Are we heading towards an era of digital scarcity, or is a different type of scenario coming? Please subscribe and like and share with your friends so as many people as possible learn about Bitcoin and what is going on in the financial markets. Until next time, be safe and take care.